Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's Be Amazing Sylvia, and this is video 3 to tight abs. Okay, I'm putting this disclaimer out here first. I done took on a big old mountain, and I was climbing, and I slid. Then I climbed more, then I slid. This was some hard work, y'all. Absolutely hard work. This is part 3. This is my final results. I try to stay on that game, y'all. I tried. I'm telling you, and I was doing so good. That first week I was grinding. I was hurting. My muscles were killing me, y'all. But I was doing it, and I was focused, hard work, and determination. Your girl was like, going. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna get me some abs, baby. Anyway, I stayed focused, stayed on that game for like 2 weeks, and then lo and behold, boom, my birthday came. And y'all know what time it is when your birthday comes. My birthday came, party over here, party over there. So I slacked off. I lost some steps. I lost some days. So my day 30 was actually the 26th. So I had to play catch up, y'all, because I was way off course. But I've been grinding. I've been doing what I'm supposed to do. I did, on those 2-minute planks, I'm not going to lie to you. Those 2-minute planks about killed me. I only did like 15 days of planks. I'm honest. I'm being real here. I only did 15 days of planks because they were so hard. So my 30 days is up. I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to keep grinding. I'm going to keep incorporating it into my day so I can keep my abs the way they are, because they have gotten tightened and they looking pretty good if you ask me. Yes, baby, pretty good. The push-ups, I probably did, let's see, with the push-ups, I probably did about 20 days. Them push-ups was hard too, y'all, want no joke. But the squats, I did 30 days of squats. I did 30 days of jumping jacks. I did, what else I had? Sit-ups. I did 30 days of sit-ups, and these were 50 counts of everything. I think I'm missing, the leg lifts. I did 30 days of those. So those ones, they were hard, but I did it. So y'all see my star? Respect the star, baby. Yeah, y'all know it's all about Cowboy Nation. That's me, Be Amazing. But I know y'all want to see these results. So, but I'm going to just tell y'all, it's hard work, but you can do it. You just got to pace yourself and go and do the best you can. But it's doable. After you get past that first week, you can do it. That first week was the worst. Besides those planks. Those planks, y'all, I think I set my goals really high with 2 minutes. I should have did a minute plank. But anyway, I'm going to keep pushing, keep grinding. Y'all know how I do. It's all about the grind, baby. Everything I touch, I grind, and I grind hard. Work, family, cooking, these YouTube streets, I grind, baby. It's all about grinding. And this stomach was a grind thing. So I'm gonna stand up. So this is where I'm at. That lower belly, this is where I'm at. That lower belly right here is hard to get rid of. I had a cesarean, so they cut right here, so my muscles are messed up. But I think I did pretty good. My roll on the side is gone. Let me move this chair because it's bringing in sunlight, y'all. Okay, hold on. All right. So, yep. So my rolls on the side are gone. Y'all see the like little define here. And then, I got to work on that some more. But if you look back at part 1, so I think I did pretty good. Woo, baby. This is a 48-year-old stomach after having a baby. So I think I did pretty good, y'all. But make sure y'all look at part 1 and part 2. because part 1 showed where I started at, and my stomach was really big. And then part 2 showed my improvement, and this is my end result. But I'm going to keep working, y'all. I'm going to keep grinding, because that's all you can do. Y'all like my star. I know I mentioned that before. Check out the back. Can y'all see it? It's the back, yes. Look at that. Woohoo! All about Dallas Cowboys, y'all. That's my team. I know this video not about that, but I just wanted to put that in the atmosphere. And I just want to say I can't wait for football season. Y'all know I'm going to do a live, Football Sunday Live, and I hope you guys can catch it. But that's it. I'm still on my road to 2K. Woohoo, 2K. I think I got 110 family members. So if you're watching this and you're not my family member, come on and join the family. Leave me a genuine comment, and I'll definitely get back to you. I just know I'm going to get there. And I'm going to do a giveaway, a cash giveaway, y'all, after I hit 2K. So the sooner I get to 2K, the sooner y'all can try to win some money in that giveaway. So happy Friday, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out my other content. And hopefully we'll become family members. Peace, love, and happiness. Thank you all. Don't forget, y'all can go on this journey just like I did. It's hard work. Don't get it twisted. I'm not going to lie to you. It's hard. But anything is possible. Anything is possible by God's grace and mercy. Peace and love. I appreciate you all. See y'all in them YouTube streets. Peace out.